These are Jolie's puppies that are available. That's Prancer and Donner. I don't get these guys in. Oh goodness, every time I move, they move with me. Here's Cupid. Cupid, come on, little man. There you go. This is Dasher behind me if I can get to him. Dasher, little one. He's the little one. He's gonna be blue. He's gonna be blue. All the other ones want to come in here now. Oh yeah? Hey Dasher. Donner found the ball. Here, look. Look. Oh no, look. Prancer. Cupid lacks a little bit in the coat, but he makes up for this in personality. Don't you? See, I don't have as fluffy of a coat, but it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. There's Prancer playing with the ball. You're gonna live up to your name, aren't you? I'm gonna live up to my name. Come here, Donner. Donner, look up here. Come here. Look. Look. Shaved his face a little bit. Show that light color underneath. And there's a little runt man who's doing great. Say, I'm a runt, but I'm doing great. I guess they all had a little bit of a nap since my last video and when I did the sold puppies. Okay, guys. Okay, I gotta get your video. Papers. It's just not easy. It's not easy to get a video, you guys. No, it's not. Donner. There's Donner. Cupid. Dasher. Prancer. Hey, Prancer. There she is. What? Hey, Cupid. Hey, Dasher. Puppy. Puppy.